Welcome to Financial Hub. In this video, I'm going to guide you on how to add tokens on Phantom Wallet. It is a very simple step. Firstly, make sure you already have the application on your device and you are logged into your Phantom Wallet. After you open your application, you will be directly led to this home page. You can also choose the account that you want to add tokens on. For that, you need to tap on the option A1, which is at the top. Here you can see all the accounts that you have. You can see currently I only have this account, but if you have numerous accounts, you can choose the one that you want to add tokens on. Now once again at this home page, there you can see the option Manage Token List at the bottom. You have to tap over there. Now all you need to do is toggle up the button. For example, you want Bitcoin and Ethereum at your Phantom Wallet, then all you have to do is toggle up the button. Likewise, you can also search other token lists that you want to add on Phantom Wallet. Now, after you toggle up the button, you can go to your home page once again. And now here you can see that the token has been added to your Phantom Wallet. And this is how you add tokens on Phantom Wallet. I hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe our channel Financial Hub. Thank you.